In today's video, I'm going to teach you on how to change Gemini language on Google app. Let's start this by opening the Google app on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Next, click on your profile icon on the upper right corner. Then, in the pop-up menu, select Settings option. In the Settings page, select Gemini to open the Gemini settings. In here, tap Languages. Next, you'll see here two different options. First is the languages that work with Gemini, and its Google Assistant features, and the other are the languages that works with Gemini only. Let's just use the first one. It will open the Assistant languages. Simply tap your language and it will open a pop-up menu where you can select the language that you want. You can scroll here and select the language you prefer. For example, let's select this one. After selecting it, the changes should take effect immediately. But if it does not work right away, you can try to restart the app to make sure that the new language is applied. So that's basically how you do it.